नमस्कार, तुमकां समेस्तां कार्मेलकिरण यूट्यूब चॅनल तुमकां परत एक फावटी स्वागत. आमी सिनेगोगांतल्यान भायर येतना एका स्ट्रीटाचेर देंवन येता आसतना जायते अंगडी आमी पळयल्यो. वस्त्राची जावं पुरो, वेपाराची, स्पायसस आनी काले एक्झिबिशन, ल्हान ल्हान मट्टाचे ल्हान ल्हान एक्झिबिशन जावं पुरो, आर्ट गॅलरी जावं पुरो. हांगा एका आर्ट गॅलरी भितर आमी रिगल्यो आनी हें पळयता आसतना चिंतलें हें तुमकां दाखयचें. कित्याक म्हळ्यार ओल्ड कोचींत, फोर्ट कोचीक तुमी येता जाल्यार असले अद्भुत संगती तुम्ही पळोवंक तुमकां मेळटात. मंगलोरांत असले संगती हांवें पळोवनात. भोवशा ह्या मट्टाची तुमकां पळोवंक मेळचें ना. पॉश नात, बिल्डींग मस्त पोरणी बिल्डींग. ताचे भितर येतना सोबीत एक विजिबल आर्ट तुमकां दिसता. सो हे तुमकां आमी दाखयता, पळया, तुमी एन्जॉय करा.
Hi, I'm Salman.
I'm for the street.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Salman Fadzi.
Yes, Salman.
Yeah, I'm a documentary photographer.
Documentary photographer.
Yeah.
So all these pictures are...
Yeah, taken by me.
Ah, very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice
Thanks.
to meet you.
Yeah, nice
so
to meet you.
I see this typewriter.
Yeah.
So what is this now at present?
Actually, we kept it that people can type their thoughts, and if they want, they can just type on the postcard and just leave it here. We will put in the post box to send to their home or to the loved ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why did you get this idea?
Eh?
Why did you get
Actually, like as a person, if I go somewhere, like if I come to an exhibition, I'll watch my work, like somebody's work. So there must be done something by me. Then only I'll remember that.
Okay.
So I thought like it's the same with everyone.
Okay.
Yeah, so they must do something. so they can be remembered.
Nice. So every day you have visitors here?
Definitely, we have. Yeah, many people are coming and typing and seeing my work,
And how much do you charge?
no, it's free.
It's free.
Yeah.
Not only that is costing.
Yeah, it just cost me 50 paise. It's nothing. Yeah, it's a feeling actually. That's what I say. Yeah,
Yes. So where are you from?
I'm from here, Mattancheri.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Otherwise, what do you do for the work?
I work in courier. I'm a courier, like a delivery boy.
Okay.
So this works for many photographs I saw when I was doing the delivery. So I clicked all these pictures during the time.
Beautiful pictures.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very old.
Yeah. Any concept about this? The wall is to wall, and you have put the pictures on the wall.
Actually, like it's a life. I think this is the real Kochi. I think like we got a real nice buildings and stories, but people are just painting and making it beautiful. But that's not the right way to do it. So I felt like this must be displayed in like this.
Okay.
Because the colors and patterns. It's amazing.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
So nice to
Thank
meet
you so
God
much.
bless
Yeah,
and all
thank
the
you.
best to
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much.
We are happy with the work.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is that now?
It's a traditional game called Palanguri.
Okay.
Yeah.
Palanku ಇದೆ. Palanku. Can you explain?
Yes. Palanguri is a traditional game which is played in Kerala and in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And so it's a two-player game. So it's involved with seeds or shells or something you can use. It's more like a chess. It's like you have to use a brain to play.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everywhere there are four. Now.
Everywhere there are four, you have to pick it one and put in each. So the round goes like this, and unless like you will reach a pocket, empty pocket before you just drop it. So the next pocket is yours. So the guy who take all the red seeds, he's the winner.
Oh. How many persons can play?
Two person at a time.
Persons. Okay. Try once. Let's try.
Yeah.
So what should I do?
Yeah. Wait, one more. So I'll start.
Yes.
So it takes some time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will not complete. We'll just.
Yeah. So just drop 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next I have to take it. So the round goes like this until I'll put the last ball in my hand here. So I can take this one. It's mine.
Okay.
It goes like that.
Okay.
That's all right.
So when I'm supposed to play?
Once I take the seed from the hall.
Okay.
It's mine.
Which one?
This one. This one.
Take
Now-
for it.
Yeah. Now you can play
What I'm
from anywhere.
supposed to
Yeah. Just put it in one hole.
2, 3, 4, 5. One more here.
Yeah. Then you can take this.
Okay.
Take it.
Yes.
Yeah.
2.
Two here. Then take this.
Okay.
Then take this. It will go like that. Take this and this one. You have to drop it until you reach some empty hole.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Oh, then it's yours.
Oh, this is mine. Only 4. You have more.
Sometimes you get only one. That's the saddest part. You have to travel
I'm
this far.
happy with 4.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
God
Yeah.
bless.
Thank you
Okay?
so much.
Yeah,
See you.
keep the mic.
Yeah.
Thank you.
ह्याच जाग्यार मुखार मुखार येता आसतना आनी एक जागो पळयलो. तुमी हो जागो पळयला खंडीत जावन क्रेजी म्हणून आसात. क्रेजी कित्याक म्हळ्यार हें पेंटिंगी आनी कितें कळचें ना. कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमच्या भारतांत आमच्या कोडियलच्या कॉन्टेक्स्टार असले पेंटींग तुमकां पळोवंक मेळचे नात आनी तुमकां समजोवची नात. कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमचे पेंटिंगा विशयांत आर्टा विशयान आमकां चड एक आबिरूस हांवें पळयली ना. पूण हांगा पळयतना पोस्ट मॉडर्न पेंटिंग्स ती कशींय सोडवे ताका रूल नात. अशेंच करचे तशेंच करचें म्हणून ना. आनी तांकां ताणें दिल्लो अर्थ तुमी पळयल्लो तुमी समजल्लो अर्थ असले एक हांगा एक आंगडच करून दवरले बरी आसा. पेंटींग कोणें येवन करी त्या रितीन हांगा एक शॉप्स आसले बरी आसा. कोणेंय तूं वचोन एक तुमकां जाय जाल्यार आर्ट सोडून हांगा घालून सोडयत तसले एक विचित्र तरांचे एक आर्ट हांगा आसा. तुमकां दाखयता पळया. वणटीचेर पुरा गिचून घाला. आमच्या ल्हान भुरग्यांनी घरांत कशें गिचून घालतात त्या रितीन आसा. पूण पोस्ट मॉडर्न पेंटिंग्स कोणाक लायक आसा तर कोणाक ताचे विशयान पळोवन जाणा आसा तुमकां खंडीत जावन लायक जावंक पुरो. आनी हांगा सर चेगवार आसा. एक रितीचो क्रांती हाडलो मनीस. हांगासर पळोवया येता कोणें हांगा सोडून दवरलो. स्कूल किड्स आर्टिस्ट म्हणून कशें आमचें स्कुलींग आमचें एज्युकेशन सिस्टम आतांचे भितर कशें आसा तें खाली स्टडीजाक महत्व दिता. पूण आर्ट त्या रितीन त्या तांकां वचोंक कोणाक आशा आसा तांकां तितले एक पाठिंबो पेरंट्स पावंक जावन दी आनी खंयच्याय मेळना ना म्हणल्या खातीर हांगा एक प्रोटेस्ट म्हणलें पळय एक हांगा बरोवन दवरलां स्कूल किड्स आर्टिस्ट म्हणून. आतां येयल्या न्हू हांवें एक ल्हानशें एक आर्ट पळयलें. कशी जाली पळोवन न्ही पळया. कोणेंय हांगा एक पेंटींग अशें सोडून दवरलां. सोबीत आसा. आनी हांगा बरयलां कम एज यू आर. कम एज यू आर कशें जाय तशें येया. तुमकां कितें सोडूंक जाय सोडया. हांगा पळया आदल्या काळाचें एक वॉल कार्विंग्स आसताले पळय त्या रितीन सोडयलां कोणेंय. आनी हांगासर आसा पुरा पेंटींग करून तुमकां एक आंगड बरी करून दवरल्या. तुमकां खाली बरोवंक जाय पेंट करूंक जाय जाल्यार पेंट आसात. सर इक्विपमेंट्स आसात. स्प्रे आसा यूज करीत. त्या रितीन हर एकल्या हांगा एकल्यान नोट काडून दवरला. 10 रुपयांचो नोट. टिकेट आसा टिकेट काडून दवरल्यात. आनी कितें एकल्यान फोटो दवरले बाप. आनी एक कोणेंय एक कोट बरोवन दवरला. एक रीत तांचें एक्सप्रेशन. सो आर्ट म्हणटना हर एक फावटी एक एक्सप्रेशन पळय एकल्याच्या जिवितांत कितें आसा कितें सांगूंक जाय तें आर्ट मुखार दाखवीत. त्या रितीन हांगा एक सुबीत आंगड केल्ले बरी करून दवरलें.